seat full of shit.
Not literally.
Well, my front seats are fine, as you see. I don't really try to shove too much stuff inside the cars.
Yeah, your dad would want you.
Well, my car's also
Putting a bunch of junk in his caddy.
well, actually all this junk in the caddy is his stuff. All this.
What's he have multiple phones he needs?
Oh,
that's the accident cam?
multiple phones, and he has a crap ton of those.
So does that thing record audio too?
Yeah.
So we're being recorded?
Yep.
Hi, Mr. Redding.
Once it gets over a point, it starts to paste over. So.
It would be funny. If you have a friend that like has a drift car or something, put that camera in your friend's drift car and let him take a couple laps and then stick it back in here.
Yeah.